ba ako? Okay, wait lang. Ayun na. Naayos ko mic ko ha. Naayos ko ha. Okay na, okay na. Rinig na. Okay. Ayos ko. Okay na. Ni. Anak ka. Okay na guys. Okay na ha. Okay na. Nakabike ako ha. Wag kayong, yung mga iba na hater, wag ka mahinga. Kahit VIP, wag. Ano ba magkaroon ng VIP dito? Wala naman niya ako VIP. Become queso. Ayoko niya. Pwede ba dito? Anong gagawin ko dito? Uy, AK. Pwede ba? Hala. Game Pass. Boy, Boy, liit ko naman. Yan kasi pre. Hindi naman niya ako si Queso. Sino ba kasi ang Queso? Ikaw ba mo? Hindi ka naman naliligo. Uy, pogi mo. Welcome ka dyan, ang pogi mo. Si Queso, with me, Queso! Si Queso ang bangit. Taba niya oh. McDonald. Kain muna. Flashlight lang. Flashlight lang, spirit. Uy, si Tengi. Tengi. Boy, akala niya pwede siya pumunta dun. Haha, di mo niya kukunin. Di pwede oh. If Game Pass do not work, medyo ko in the game. Wala akong Game Pass. Gamit ko yung main ko. Iba ito. 200 yung subs ko dito at saka high IQ pa ito eh. Basta tayo pupunta pre. Gusto mo ba? Ginup ko. Bye-bye. Boy, may bat! May bat. Sarado natin yan. Pinapatay ako. Ano to yung nuke? Yung nuke. Launch nuke. Ayoko. May walang salamin yung makanyakang kape. Kape, wag ka nang enter dyan. Ay, smooch. Booty. Boy, magre-restart ako. Welcome killer. Okay. Hindi ako magkikiller. Wala akong Robux dito. Yung Robux, yung may Robux lang yung isa. Oh!
If I see your tight shoes, I'm gonna trip.
Bakit yun?
So you never know what was when you're not never hit that. Hey, you never know what was I never hit that. Whatever my earring, fall off the zip back. Breaky, they know me now. You gotta want that.
Wait!
I'm in the top of the get up and get up. Welcome to your earring. Then you know so I can get a ring. No, I'm not feeling that, not everything. Can I be better? No, I'm going home. Can I be better? No, I'm going home. I got money to go out. I'm going home. So just go and make the rest of it. All these keys gonna be my trip to. I'm not supposed to tell them right now. If I see a tight shoes, I'm gonna trip to. I'm gonna sit away and put a seed and go it up. So you never know what was when you're not never hit that. Hey, you never know what was I never hit that. Whatever my
Baby
earring,
toilet.
Breaky, they know me now. You gotta want that. I'm in the top through a burgundy. Get up and get up. Welcome to your earring. Maybe you know so I can get a ring. No, I'm not feeling that, not everything. Can I be better? No, I'm going home. Can I be better? No, with a laundry. I got money to go out. I'm going home. So just go and make the rest of it. All these keys gonna be my trip to. I'm not getting time right now.
Wow! Ina ba? Ano ako napatay?
I'm gonna sit away and put a seed.
Skibidi toilet pa nga. Muna. Ito na natin yan.
Whatever my earring, fall off the zip back. Breaky, they know me now. You gotta want that.
Nakakagana.
I'm in the top through a burgundy. Get up and get up. Welcome to your earring. Maybe you know so I can.
Padiga. Pamis hot side. Gusto ko mag-die ako na. Si Pre ng lib. Tara, takbo na. Sa tayo na lang. Dito. Drooling. Pizza ka dyan. Bye-bye. Tapos natin to, mga 1 hour to. Sabi na, pwede to. Skibidi toilet. Anong last? Ba't meron ano? 0800 Boy, ayaw mag-type. Busy ka. Shot with my... Ito? Pita! Uy! Beep, 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 beep. Tommy, ano? Ba't meron akong award? He? Award dahil dito sa zombie. Flashlight. Gumising ka. Leave na tayo. Wait lang, sa OB na lang tayo. Ito, kap. Oo na, tita na tayo. Tita na tayo eh. Ano to? Hey there. Ano yon? Oh, your first time? Oo. Ba't ako headless? Headless ako. Doesn't matter if you're... No. Ayoko niya. Doesn't matter, it never does. So, paano mo alam pangalan mo? I was wondering, do you know? Hindi. Hindi. Correct? You just woke up. Oo. So, selling mash. Ano? Paano mo alam pangalan ko? No. Are you from? Ay, paano mo alam pare? Paano mo alam? Tama. Tama niya ako eh. Nakamic niya ako. Tama. I hope you're tricking me. Tama! Anyway. Wala akong clock. Uy, kumana ka. Ano yung hawak ko? Ay, pili. How interesting! How is Tuesday connected? Oh wow, you are enjoying your work. More than 100 days ago. Selima! Ano niya? Ano? Have you looked your surroundings yet? No. So what are you waiting for? Look around. Tapos na niya. Umikot na ako. Ano, okay na? Okay na. So ano? I'm hoping you haven't lied. So have you Mayos ka ang mic. Ay, kumana. Okay na? Ay, okay na. So, have you been honest answering these questions? Yes. Good. Ano good? Good. Hindi ako nang FaceTime, ha? Good. It. Boy, bino. Yes. Good to know. Boy, pag minanag na. Bigla ako nagkarabahan. Boy, na-jump scare ako. Akala ko isang tao. Tama. Ano? Tapos na. Do you see yourself then in near the future? Oo. I hope so. Haha. Just kidding. Kidding. O kid. Are you scared? Yeah. Minamulog sa window. I'm beautiful, right? Yeah. Beautiful. You're such a great person. Di niya ako tumingin eh. We should be friends. I have been lonely. Okay. Oh. Baby. We will be together forever. Do you mind if go inside?